Hello. So I finished a painting last night and now I am back to a dilemma that I have been thinking about ever since I redid my entire studio, which is I have a lot of finished paintings and they are just sort of leaning against the wall and I don't have a lot of space to have them leaning against the wall. So what I kind of want to do is hang them along this wall, but obviously I don't want to drill holes or anything in the wall because the amount of paintings I will have there and the size of the paintings and everything will change constantly as I'm selling my paintings and so forth. So instead I wanted to have something like attached by the ceiling and then hanging paintings from on like chains or something. There is this actual set that you can get for this that is meant for like a picture wall. I don't really like it. It's sort of white and plasticky and I felt like it didn't really fit my sort of rustic industrial decoration style that I want to achieve in this room. So instead I had an idea. I also found two new lights for the ceiling in this room. I currently just have this one and a studio light and so it's been a bit dark, but I did find two new lamps on Facebook Marketplace, so I am currently in the process of setting up pickup for those two and then go get some stuff that I need for the painting hanging project. I actually also finally graduated in September as a interior artisan officially, so now I am actually a professional, obviously. Okay, so I am back and here are the lamps that I picked up. They're definitely smaller than I thought, but that's okay. They're still better than what I currently have, which is this little thing. So I'm going to use this to light up the art wall I'm planning on doing, and then this for the other where I currently have no lamp at all. But it is actually getting kind of dark already, so I think I'm just going to get these in the ceiling tonight and then continue with my art wall tomorrow. Hello, it's the next day and the lamps are up in the ceiling. It's a horrible angle. Anyways, there's one and there's the other one. This one is obviously mostly directed at the wall and my painting area. And then this one is directed more at the couch area and this standing table that I honestly need to switch out to something a little more practical. Anyways, now I am going to try to mount... Oh, look who's here. Yeah, anyway, now I'm going to start to set up the painting wall hang. So, right off the bat, I managed to not film the first step that I did, but I screwed in 3 hooks in the ceiling. And since we are already off to a great start, I also didn't think of getting something to attach my branch to the ceiling with, so I just used this string and folded it a couple of times just to make it thick enough. So the idea here is that just like on one of those painting wall rails that you can buy, the sets, I am able to move these chains back and forth here and even just open them. I left that one open so that I can just take it off, move it and put it back kind of where I need it, like this. Then I ran into a little problem that I kind of anticipated would happen, but I figured I would just deal with it when it happened. The branch is a little too far off the wall, which makes the paintings sort of not hang alongside the wall. They kind of turn and twist to the sides and are a little crooked, and this isn't too much of a deal for me because this is more of a storage situation, and the decoration aspect of this is secondary. But I still did try to sort of fix it. So first of all, I did move my hooks that the branch was hanging from even closer to the wall. But what I figured I would do to even further straighten out the paintings is to get a second chain for all of them. So I would hang them on 2 chains, which will help me to actually level them out. I don't know if any of that made sense, but I envision it improving it even more. But for me, this is not a big deal. So for now, they're just gonna hang on 1 chain. turned out better than I hoped. I still have to get the second chains for all of these so that I can get them to hang straight, but they're looking good this way as well. This one I haven't yet done the wire on the back, so that is why it's still standing here, but eventually it'll get its place on my new gallery wall. I hope you enjoyed the video. Definitely need to get to painting the bookcase over here. The white and the blue are not looking good in here, so maybe that will be the next video if I can figure out what I'm going to paint it. So anyways, I hope I will see you in my next video. Bye!